Today we'll learn about cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is how plants convert nutrients into ATP, which provides energy for many reactions in an organism. We'll be focusing on aerobic cellular respiration, which takes place when there's oxygen present. Glucose and oxygen are taken in, and carbon dioxide, water, and ATP molecules are produced. There are 4 stages involved in aerobic cellular respiration. First, you start with glycolysis, then there's pyruvate oxidation, followed by the Krebs cycle, and lastly, the electron transport chain. The equation for cellular respiration is as follows. 1 molecule of glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen form 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of H2O, and 36 molecules of ATP. First, glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of cells and requires no oxygen. Glycolysis starts a slow breakdown of glucose, which has 6 carbons. Glucose is activated by the use of 2 ATP. Then it is split into 2 3-carbon compounds called G3P. These molecules undergo a series of reactions, resulting in 2 pyruvates forming. The energy released is used to reduce 2 NAD+ molecules to 2 NADH molecules. Glycolysis results in a net gain of 2 ATP. Next comes the process of pyruvate oxidation, which requires oxygen. A pyruvate molecule loses carbon dioxide group, becoming a 2-carbon compound. This molecule now binds to coenzyme A to form acetyl-CoA. This acetyl-CoA moves on to the next part of the cycle in the mitochondrial matrix, called the Krebs cycle. At the same time, a hydrogen from pyruvate attaches to NAD+ to form NADH, and this electron carrier goes on to the ETC portion. So this step produces 2 carbon dioxide molecules, which are considered waste products, 2 acetyl-CoAs, which are needed in the next step, and 2 NADHs in the reduction of NAD+. The Krebs cycle works to strip away hydrogen pairs from glucose and send them to NAD+ in the electron transport chain to make ATP. To start the Krebs cycle, 4 recycled carbon attach to 2 acetyl-CoA molecules to form a 6-carbon molecule. As the cycle goes on, this 6-carbon molecule is oxidized to form 1 carbon dioxide. The resulting energy from this reaction also causes 1 NAD+ molecule to be reduced to NADH. Now, a 5-carbon molecule oxidation occurs with the same results as last time, as well as resulting in the reduction of an ADP molecule to form ATP. This 4-carbon molecule continues the cycle, and its excess energy is used to reduce electron carriers NAD+ and FAD+ to NADH and FADH2. This cycle happens twice since there are 2 acetyl-CoAs produced from pyruvate oxidation. It results in the production of 2 ATP molecules, 6 NADH molecules, 3 FADH2 molecules, and 4 carbon dioxide molecules. But now all the carbon from glucose has been converted to carbon dioxide. Up till now, very little ATP has been produced. This is where the electron transport chain comes in. The electron transport chain occurs in the cristae of the mitochondria. There are many high-energy NADH and FADH2 molecules produced from the previous steps. Energy is released to actively transport H+ ions from the cristae into the mitochondrial matrix. This creates a concentration gradient. When the concentration gradient becomes great enough, the hydrogen ions start to move back through the ATP synthase molecules where ATP is produced. The final electron acceptor is oxygen, which combines with hydrogen to form water. So at the end of this reaction, 32 molecules of ATP are formed, as well as 6 molecules of water. Altogether, 36 ATP molecules are produced for the use in an organism. The end.